Okay, so now that we've covered these definitions of these things that we're going to be talking about, let's have a look at this case study of this global media company and how they've done their microservices. So this organization was very focused on quality assurance, and everybody in that organization was responsible for quality. So what that means is we want to talk a bit about development as well as testing, because that was an important part into the quality process. Also, you're going to notice that if you're very familiar with Kubernetes, you're going to notice that the latest features are not here. That's just because this story is 2 years old. So it's not a long time, but when it comes to Kubernetes world, this might be a long time because Kubernetes moves very fast. It's the bleeding edge thing when it comes to deployments right now. So as we've mentioned, those guys have decided to work on this new product. They wanted high availability and faster time to market, and they've decided that microservices, Kubernetes, and Docker are the way to implement this, and they're going to help them with that. And an important thing I wanted to mention was that this is an example of how it worked in an organization. And it's not a recipe you just take and apply. It might work for you, but there's a bunch of things you need to remember, like company culture, team structure, project structure, that came into play why this very approach worked for these guys. And you can pick and choose, but just remember, this is not like, I just take it and apply it to my company. It just might not work. And that's going back again to Conway's law and these things.